Here na bus. Na sasakyan namin going to Noy. So, aakyat tayo dyan mamaya, guys. To the Alpen Sea. So, aakyat tayo, guys, for 30 minutes. And, makikita natin ang unang castle. So, naglakad talaga ang ginawa namin dito sa forest. So, nasa harapan namin ng bundok ng Sierra Madre. Kalain nyo may castle pala dito. Kung makikita nyo lang yung loob ng castle, guys, napakaganda. Pero sayang bawal kasi mag-picture. So, hanggang labas muna tayo, guys. Ganda, oh. Oh my God, it's a lake. But it's a green, not the black. So, walang cake. Lakad pa. Sige, lakad mo. May sumasayaw din kasama. Magkama tayo ganyan. So, we're going.